Okay, I have an unboxing today. Should be angled correctly. I can't find my scissors from 2nd grade, green ones, so I have to use these ones that I found downstairs. This is a Gemmy item, and it involves Santa. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, like a lot. I thought it would be like around the size of my shrieking spider, but it's definitely not. You can probably see it already. Yep. Santa and Snowman. I have to turn it upside down. Yes. Oh, it's covered in a piece of cardboard. It's covered in newspaper and paper. Oh, yeah, there it is. Definitely a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Yeah, didn't come with batteries. I think they said that it didn't. They even put a bag over them. This isn't new in box, they showed it out of the box. Yes, it's so cold. What is that? Is that probably the motor? Or part of the mechanism? Yeah, it's really cold. Yeah. The snowman resembles Frosty the Snowman, but with different colors. That's what I first thought when I saw it. Oh. So it is just the snow that moves. I thought that, like, see where this line is? I thought that it rotated out there. So that's interesting. And all this packaging. Is there anything else in here? No. Okay. So that's awesome. The thing about old Gemmy items is, like, when I see them online and stuff, like, I think, oh, I think it's about this big, but then I see it in person, and it's a lot bigger than I think it is. But with newer ones, it's usually a lot smaller than I think it is, or than I initially think it is. So, yeah. Is it dirty? Or is it yellowed? Where's it dirty there? Looks like it's a bit yellowed. Yeah, I think it's yellowed in some spots, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna test it now. Let's see. So it has like the same textured plastic, and oh, it's off. It still doesn't have any. Yeah, gonna take them from this Frost Man. The one that smells weird. Screws are the same, but try and keep them organized anyway. Takes 4 double A's. 4 double A. Okay, so this will be the first test. Might be a bit slow because it's cold. Like, it is pretty cold to the touch.
up better. Gotta go roof to roof. Come on, let me see you shake it up better. Come on, let me see you shake it up better. Come on, let me see you shake it up better. Come on, let me see you shake it up better. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's really cool. Thanks for watching.